Today's the closing date of this beautiful listing we had for sale. Brand new construction home in Cutler Bay, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, brand new home for you to live and be the first owner. We got it under contract in just 2 weeks and now is the closing date. Today we're doing the final walkthrough, and if you are a buyer, I highly recommend you do a final walkthrough before you go to the title company to sign on the dotted line. The final walkthrough is there for you as the buyer to verify that everything that the seller promised he was going to do, any repairs, anything he's going to leave in the property, this is the time for you to verify that he actually kept his end of the bargain and that the things that he said he was going to leave are going to stay there. Also, I would like to recommend buyers and explaining to them what usually stays at a property and what goes with the owner or tenant when you buy a property. It's pretty simple. Imagine you get the property and you flip it upside down. Anything that falls when you flip it usually goes with the property. For example, furniture, paintings, TVs, things like that. Anything that stays when you flip the property upside down is attached to the home, stays with the property. For example, blinds, appliances, AC, fans, all these things stay with the property when you buy a new home or a resale property. So final walkthrough is crucial for you to do before you do the signing of your property to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be and that the seller kept their promise on any repairs that he might have promised during the negotiations. If you guys have any other questions, do not hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.